Shall we go? Hello, welcome. Welcome. Get in a comfortable position and let's start today's breathing practice. Thank you for joining. Allow yourself to arrive in this moment, in this space that we created all together. As you are, where you are right now. Allow the earth to carry you in this moment. Lower your gaze or close your eyes, bringing our attention to our breath. How does it feel to breathe air today? Observe your breath. All of me is welcome. What does my body tell me? What does my breath reveals to me? In your own pace, in your own space, honoring this moment. You feel how it feels to become a channel of light. And somewhere there, I want you to just sparkle.
May we always remember that we are pure consciousness, interdimensional midwives giving birth to our true self.
I recall my power. I activate the trust within me. I belong here in my presence. I allow myself to feel safe. Breathing gently. I allow me to be me. I am blessed. Just feel how it feels to be in the body in this moment. Slow breaths, deep breaths. And the next breath in, expand as much as you can. And when you let it out, make a sound like ah. And one more breath in your own time. Slowly, you can also start moving your body. Yeah. Take your time. When you feel ready, open your eyes in your own pace. Welcome back. Thank you for breathing with me.
Whoa, yeah, thank you so much. That was really beautiful. Unexpectedly accurate.
Like a beautiful journey. You're very calm right now. Thank you so much.
Thank you again.
It was sweet and cozy.
Yes, thank you very much, Kristina. Thank you.
It was also my first time and I really enjoyed it.
I felt vibrations in my hands during the meditation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So for me, it was the first time, so I didn't know what to expect from this breathwork session, and I really loved everything you said, how you introduced it, and how you brought us back. And I'm thankful that you do these kind of sessions that allows us to open up for ourselves. So thank you. It was delicious. Thank you very much for choosing to join today and choosing yourself. See you next Wednesday.